In this section we learn emailing document, working with hyperlink, saving documents as web pages. Unit 8, web feature. Create a hyperlink. To create a hyperlink, first of all select the text you want to make the link. Go to Insert menu and Link tab. Click on the Link tab. A dialog box will appear. There will be many settings in this dialog box. You can check these all. You can practice this thing. Let's talk about some. Browse the page. In this we are making the link to a specific page in this document. In this environment contact, employment contact, here you can make your option whole page, same themes, or you can enter the information, or we can also link this to another document in our hard disk. For example, we have this is me learning MS Word. We are linking to this document. Okay, to test this link we have Ctrl+Click. Press Ctrl and click on this document and you will be directed to that document linked. Here you see at the top, at the title bar, this is me learning Microsoft Word. So that was hyperlink. Next is emailing a document from Word. To email a document directly from Microsoft Word, go to File menu. In File menu here you see Share. Click on the Share and email. Inside email, send as an attachment. Here a dialog box appear. They're asking for an email ID you want to email this document. Write the email ID. We have a CC option also. Here we don't have account. You have to add your Microsoft account first and then you can email it. Next is save a document as a web page. To save the document as a web page, go to File menu, and File menu open Save As. And Save As, here select folder you want to save your document and Save As type. From Save As type select web page or .html. Give here a name and save. Now your document is saved in the specified folder. Let's check it. How is it, how it works? Go to Word folder. In Word folder, here we have the HTML file. Click on that. It's opening in a browser, and here we have that document we have already saved in the web page as web page.